handler. You can become a forensic expert. That depends on your choice. But this is a basic roadmap. And obviously, when we talk about implementation of security, what security aspects a company requires to implement in order to make everything secure? The company wants everything should be secure in the physical aspects. Means all the communication medium which they are exchanging, that has to be secure itself. All the network security, I have told you, once you are able to enter somebody's network, that means you have reached the security. There you implement, the firewall, checkpoints, routers, and other things. Parameter security, IDS. You understand IDS, firewalls and all? Have you read about IDS? Any of you? What do you mean by IDS? Intruder detection systems. Firewalls. Parameter security is being, parameter means you are around my parameter, I cannot allow you to enter my premises, so I need to implement firewalls and IDS. Some intruder has to be checked by something, so that is parameter security. Cloud security these days, because the cloud, the data is being exchanged on the cloud, so that's why we want everything should be authorized and everything should be authenticated and accounting should be there. That's why cloud security is important. Endpoint security, whatever the devices you are using, that has to be secure. That's why companies who are exchanging or giving you mobile phones and gadgets, they are providing the help on the maximum basis. They are making the Android system and iOS, secure at the maximum point. So that is called endpoint security. Application security, you are using phone apps, websites and all, that has to be secure. And finally, the data. That's why here we come across the concepts of encryption and decryption. So data has to be exchanged in a encrypted form. That's why WhatsApp and all this having encrypted. Anyways, so these are the basics which I wanted to share, because these are the basic thing everyone should be aware. Why we are talking about security and what do you mean by security? It is not a generalized one term. Security means only security. The security means security at all these parameters. Okay? So mean to say, you people as a cybersecurity professional can be the person who is responsible for any of the parameter. It doesn't mean you are responsible for all those parameters. You can be a professional who is trying to implement security of any of the parameter. For example, you are a good network administrator. That means you are making your server secure. Okay? That's fine. Anyways. So let's try to explore the things in the illustration form. We'll just invite our team members to present some examples in front of you. But these examples will begin from the basic implementation details, and further we can explore more in the deeper details. So I request Rishabh sir and Jasprit to commence with the interaction in the form of example of practical demonstrations to discuss the aspects of hacking, which you can say this is something how you basically understand the things which you have which you're trying to learn in your academics. What do you call by this phishing? What do you call by this implementation of MITM? That's why all these examples we're going to try to code. Anyways, so over to you, Mr. Rishabh, for beginning with the very first demonstration.
हेलो सर, कैसे